70 years of federal gun control is not going to be overturned by Congress or the courts, but step-by-step actions by states can help bring it to an end. Without state cooperation, the practical effect of most federal programs becomes severely limited. This is exactly what James Madison advised in Federalist No. 46. This is also why Judge Andrew Napolitano recently said that a single state refusing to assist in the enforcement of federal gun laws or regulations would make them nearly impossible to enforce in that state. Nullifying federal gun control can be approached in 3 very straightforward steps. 1. Draw a line in the sand. Legislation to ban state and local enforcement of any and all future federal gun control measures is the first step to start the healing. Passage in multiple states would ensure that any new federal gun control measure would never really get off the ground. Additionally, it helps educate the public on the legal and constitutional foundation for the state to take such action, or stronger ones in the future. 2. Fortify and build. This next step bans state and local enforcement of specific current federal gun control measures. For example, a bill to remove any state-level prohibitions on firearms that fall under the federal gun control measures enacted in 1934 or 1968. Or has been done in 24 states on marijuana, a state could simply legalize or decriminalize firearms that the federal government prohibits. This removes a layer of prohibition and minimizes enforcement efforts, encouraging people to simply ignore remaining federal regulations over time. 3. Add local support. Counties, cities, and towns should take the same approach, and a number around the country already have. For example, in May 2013, the City Council of Herndon, Kansas, passed Ordinance No. 510. It prohibits any agency or person employed by the city from enforcing, providing material support for, or participating in any way in the enforcement of any act, law, treaty, order, rule, or regulation of the federal government regarding personal firearms, firearm accessories, or ammunition. Strategically thinking, in some states, starting at the local level is the best first step. Blanketing a state with ordinances or even resolutions in support of measures can build a groundswell of support to do the same on the state level. Next, we'll examine inactive firearms freedom laws in 9 states and steps that can be taken to put them into effect.